Yay! There's so many people here today. Oh, it's raining. Come on, English. Dali.
I know.
English
You
is.
know what's good? You know what I'm good at? Doggy paddle.
There's a zip line up there, but no one's doing zip lining because it's raining. It's pretty dangerous to do zip lining today. Mac. Say hello, Mac. Oh. Oy. Aga mo din sa larong kay malarong. Sila ka mo. Sila ka sama ko. Children, load up.
Hulsa.
Kaya naman, makadop ka?
Dyan. Can you do it?
Makadop ka?
Yep.
Ella, don't go in the deep pit. Oh my god, this place has changed since the last time I was here. It has more establishment around. There's more cottage. Now they put like a concrete barrier in there. And yeah, there's a zip line up there right now. This place is getting famous for beach goers. So you know what, this floating cottage behind me, I think you can hire him for maybe 600 pesos, I don't know. I'm not sure how much. You can go as far as up there in the middle. Mga bugoy sa payahan. Ha? Si Aaron! Oh, I swear it's getting shallow here now. Before it was pretty deep, but now it's very shallow. I don't know if it's just me. Hey, look. It's a floating cottage. San Miguel beer, Red Horse, whatever. More fun in the Philippines. It's fun, mga children! Go! Some sort of competition right here, Mr. Manday. So he's setting up the rules and the law of the game. Nandiyan na yung rules.
Jump sa iyo. Padagat ko no.
Oh, padagat na ka.
Bigyan din mo kay.
Diri ya. Maperdi ka mo mao ngaya. I think the rules is they're gonna go and run from there, go around that rope, pick up a flag on one of these guys, and go back there and do the same thing again. I think that's the rules. Oh, I'm burning. My back is burning. Oh shit! Something just stung me underneath my leg. Olibon!
Bukan ka dyan, no?
Langoy ka! Langoy! Langoy pot! Langoy! Langoy pot! Langoy! So I wonder who won. This is the golden oldies turn. So it's their turn. I'm gonna video them. Ready, set, go!
Karin, happy pa!
Butlaw! Oh! That was the golden oldies. More fun in the Philippines. So one of our contestants, she felt really dizzy and weak. It reminds me of what happened to me 4 years ago. Exact same thing in this very spot. Because today is summer and the heat is just ridiculous. You know, you don't drink water, you're gonna faint. And luckily, we gave her some of our hydrolyte because I think she's dehydrated. I don't think she drank water. Yeah, that's the most important thing when it's hot like this. You gotta keep drinking water, otherwise you're gonna faint. Just like I did 4 years ago. Oh, 3 years ago. And yeah, one of my cousins fainted, but she's okay now. We made her drink lots of water and pour water on her head to cool her down, but we're okay. Oh, smile! Gusto pa yan, gusto pa yan. Oh, smile!
1, 2, 3, smile!
Okay na? Okay.
Mira el ritmo como nos quiere, hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, nos quiere, nos quiere. Música nos quiere fuerte, bailando y se baila así.
That's our day here today in Malajog Beach. Birthday is finished, but some are still staying back. I think we're going home now because it's nearly 5 o'clock and I don't want to get nightfall because we don't want to get our tire flat again, especially at nightfall. But yeah, it was a fun day. Ano? Home sweet home. Hi, boy. Wait, come on.
I come.
Tidak kala upod ka sa imong uncle.
Oh, lapot ka balay.
Ato kay go RJ. That's RJ's dad. You wanna go RJ house?
Hi.
Woo! We are home to the home. Finally. Oh, so tiring. My God. Oh, it's locked on this side, so we're gonna go to the front. Oh, we go to the front. Bye bye.
Babay na.
Bye bye na. Next time again.